right, hello YouTube, hello builders. My name is G. Today is actually the first formal stream, and I believe I've updated all the stream titles so everything should look right. But um, I'm super excited to get going with this. I think that building in public and building in front of a lot of people and allowing for people, hopefully in the future, to interact and come on and hang out in this kind of chill setting, showing that, like, 9 to 5, super busy. And, for a lot of founders, we need to hustle probably most of the day, if not all of it. But, with the new AI paradigm and, some of that work, we can take a little bit of a focus on, ourselves, our mental health, and, work at a chiller speed, really to avoid burnout and, some of the other, adverse effects from the day, right? We always have bad news. It's just a part of being a founder of a new company, and even at large legacy companies, the problems never end, right? So sometimes it's good to have that kind of space to escape, to reset, and refocus on the things that we need to be doing. So, with that said, let me jump over. So, we're back still with Hearthstone, and I'm not going to be playing Constructed because that's a little bit more challenging to juggle work and playing Constructed. So we're going to play a little bit of Battlegrounds, a little bit more downtime in between rounds, and so I personally feel like it's a good balance. We're just waiting it out until Civ 7 comes out, and hopefully with Civ 7, with the turns and with it being a single-player game, super chill vibes. Maybe the next stream I'll do with Civ 6. I'm been a while since I've actually played that, and so it'll be interesting to jump into it. I'm sure a lot of people will backseat me on that one, but is what it is. So what we're going to be working on today, and I actually have the stream up on this screen. How unprofessional of me. So last week we were working on Poke Build on stream, and we made it up to, I believe, the home screen. So let me switch over to the left side screen so you can see. So this is kind of the onboarding flow right now. It doesn't do anything because we haven't had any logic built and plugged in, and while we can have VO do it, I'm at this point where I'm just going to do it myself. So right now this is the home page, and honestly I could pull it in right now. I think what I'm going to do is, we were borrowing designs off of product board, and all of the screenshots are courtesy of Mobbin. And we were working through mostly the onboarding flow, this top one right here. They have a little getting started flow, which just shows crossing out all of the different kind of early quick start checkpoints, or goals or milestones, objectives, whatever you want to call them. I think they also show off a little bit of the sidebar and that type of stuff. So let me actually check to see. There's always minor adjustments that we could make. I can say add more padding to the top of this component, please. So that's always a thing. I think that this check mark here was just because I believe the screenshot that I copied had a strike through, so I'll ask it to remodify this to start from obviously 0 out of 5 complete until the user selects it. Obviously, the allowing someone to be able to select it. Probably add some form of, well, usually you'd want to track this stuff in the database, right? So maybe the actual tracking of it, not something that we need to worry about. But just so that it's 0 out of 5 complete and all that type of stuff. This represents number 4 up here. This should be 0. This shouldn't actually go anywhere. Or not that it shouldn't go anywhere. It's that as of right now it should be at 0. So a lot of cleaning up to do. We'll be doing that while having some battlegrounds in the background. So let's jump right into it. So it's really interesting. So in the moments of waiting, I'm always interested to see hey, where should I focus the screen on? I think Hearthstone's pretty riveting, more riveting than just watching AI generate stuff. So we're gonna do that just for now. What do we got? Elementals and Murlocs, so I think grabbing a free brand would be the best one. That's my choice there. Inside of VO here, while I'm waiting for that to log in, I'll just say, actually, I should, well, I'll do it with this. Remove the strike through and or have on the initial, initial state the radio button unselected and the text not struck through. So there's that. So we'll wait for that to be done. So here, no battle cries, unfortunate. Do I want any of this stuff? Like, this will guarantee me a win, most likely. There's no beasts, and so there's that beast minion that can contest this, but like everything else loses to this, or at least ties, so we'll go with this for now. Alright, so let's see how we look over here. I need to fix actually my little stream deck that I have down here, little screen selection. For some reason when I flip between the screens, it just profiles on me. Anyways, that's something not important. So let's see. I do wish with VO somehow it can like save the page in which you were last working off of. It didn't actually do it.
Your fluid intake is ready. Enjoy.
Let's try and refresh that and see if it fixes itself. I am just gonna level for right now, and I don't want to keep anything, even though the 2 here is nice because extra will be 5, so this will cost, one of these will cost 3 plus 2. But did I get hit? I got hit the last one. Maybe I'll do this and hope that I get a good 2. Just because this 2 here. No, actually, it'd be better for me to sell and grab 2 battle cries. So that'll be what I would try to do. I will look at this in the background real quick to see if it actually fixed it. It did not fix it. Crap. What if I selected this whole screen? I mean, like, can I just like remove the strike through on the text? Because that should be just a regular tailwind thing. So, all right. So that's battle cry. Why don't I try to pull a better Murloc from this? Oh, all right. Okay. I guess we're doing this. Should I freeze that? Anybody else going Murlocs? This guy. Oh, that's such a terrible freeze. I mean, Defiant Shipwright's not bad, so I'll freeze. No. I don't think it's worth it. Alright, let's see if this actually... That really did remove the strike. Cool. So, you can see I was able to remove the strike through, so now can I just do this? Make this a unselected radio button. Honestly, I should just do this as like, hey, like clean up this component so that it represents the first starting state. Hopefully that'll interpret it to mean like 0 out of 5 complete, the progress bar is empty, and that unselected. This stinks. What am I gonna do with this? He got hit pretty bad, but he's staying. I can take the damage and go up to 3. Are there more? Yeah, that's battle cry, battle cry. That's battle cry. Okay, I think there's more there, so I'm just gonna buy and hold, or level up and hold the coin. So we'll let you watch the battle.
But don't worry, it's
I say this. Nope, it did not do it. It's so weird because it says here like show all tasks as incomplete, but yet that's still 0 out of 5 incomplete. So I might have to manually go through and deal with every piece. That's a battle cry, but I'm not too enthused about it. None of these are great, so I can get one more roll. There we go. Alright, we'll use this. Ran out. Oh, wait. Oh, God. I read that wrong. Oh, Lord.
Shiny. Me like.
Alright, we'll readjust everything there. So just looking at that, right? Like, so show all tasks is incomplete, and yet this is 1 out of 5. So I think we're gonna have to go in and fix it all manually. Everything looks fine. So I'll let you watch the battle while I try to fix this. Make this 0 out of 5. All right. Hopefully that'll do it. Oh gosh. So I was doing leg day, and obviously I'm standing right now. I'm standing best, and my thighs are killing me right now. Not a good choice by me. Oh, it's because I was like, I have a basketball game to ref this Friday, and I was like, I can't do leg day later. Ugh. Squats. Alright, so let's make sure, let's see. Bubble gunner, okay. And anything else that would be useful? Oh my god, these synergize with it, but I need Bran, I think. Because I've been getting away with some wins, so. Alright, I can do that and sell and buy that, so. We'll do this. Hopefully get some good. It's marginal. Alright. This is not worth it.
A fair shake, if you ask me.
Do this. Do I have any of these? I can pull this. This should attack first. I can go there. Well, I guess we're selling this.
A fair shake, if you ask me.
Oh, I think that's a trap. I think that's bait. That triples bait. But I'll have 10 mana, 5, 6 with 1 cell. Alright, that'll get me a 5 drop. I mean, like, get an operative, operatic Belcher, maybe.
I don't see that very often.
Oh, man. Butt stomped on this one. Yeah. Alright, well, we don't want to let you watch me get destroyed. Okay, good. 0 out of 5 complete. All of these are not set. Okay, so now what we're going to do is... Are these not in it? Okay, they are in there. Quite select. Allow for the radio buttons to be clicked.
Your fluid
And
intake is ready.
once clicked, the radio buttons should be filled and the text have... I know the right word is struck through, but I think it's because in code the Tailwind class is actually called strike through. So I think I have to use the word strike through instead of struck through, so that it works. So grammatically incorrect, but it's just a way for it to understand. Oh, I actually had enough. Wow, how did I miscount that? Oh, it's because it's brand doubled it. Alright, cool. So I don't have to sell anything to get this. Let's put this here. And oh my god. Okay, I'll save this. There's like a couple things that I would want with Bran, right? So if he doubles Battle Cries, Gentle Jin, King Bagurgle, Operatic Belcher would have been nice, Primal Fan, there's so many good stuff. And yet I get this, which is fine, but like, I need to have more elemental, like, more into elementals than to do that, so. Alright, I'm about to get destroyed again. Okay, so really nifty. Everything seems to be good there. Then I'll say update this number to match the number of completed goals from the home page. Alright, thankfully, I think we have some stuff to help with getting elementals online. I messed up the order there. I'm getting a little frazzled. Alright. Nothing. Is this something? Not really. This is something. Is this something? Meh. Oh, excuse me. Meh. This is 1010, so that'll buff this up pretty good. I think I passed on that. Anything else here? No. Anything on 4 that I would want? Not really. Alright, now I'm all in on elementals, so... Okay, let's get Celemental.
Need a drink?
What has he got? Mix. Okay. Put the taunt back here, and hopefully that's good. Alright. I'll let you watch the battle while I deal with some of this stuff. So let's see if this worked. No, so that didn't work.
Buckle up, everyone. Here we go
Update this
again.
number to match the number of completed goals from the Oh, motion shouldn't be outstanding number of goals. Or tasks, actually, because I'm supposed to call tasks. Incompleted from homepage. Alright, that'll run for a little bit. Back to here. I guess we'll grab rag, sell this. Honestly, can sell this too. All of these, so we can get rag. I'll keep the venomous. Not great. I want another. Okay, I'll just get scam. Get 2 poison scam. Not great. What is that? Where does this get me? I think a fireballer is probably fireballer. That helps with the cell. This will be 612. I think that's marginal at best. That's a good point. Alright, fingers crossed. I'm still over 15, so I won't die. Alright, moment of truth. So that says 5, right? So this should go down to 4. Nope, it doesn't. Okay. I'll just say have it update upon completion or uncompletion of the task from the home page. Alright, cool. Oh boy. Let's stretch it out a little bit.
Buckle up, everyone. Here we go again.
I think I should win that. I mean, Venomous aren't gonna do anything, but I think my dude. Oh. 100% loss. Alright. I guess, yeah, there's a lot of duplicates and. Alright, well, as long as you get rid of this thing, go right, go all the way right. Okay, you know what, that actually works out. Alright, let's see if this
Your
does
fluid
it.
intake is
That's
ready.
not right.
Enjoy.
No. So that didn't do it right. Oh, it's actually adding Zeus Strand. I saw that. Not great. Alright, that's not what I wanted. So we'll try it again with another pull of the lever. Do I level? No, it's too dangerous. I mean, that guy hits for 9, so that's why I'm not too thrilled. That's not worth it. Anything here? Booze? No. Nope. Okay. Rag? Like, rag is probably... Alright, we'll do this. Fireballer. Fireball was probably not the right move.
Need a drink?
Alright, let's get these elementals and then get
Need a drink?
this thing, I think. I think this is the play. Let me grab that. No. Oh. I grab the banana for this guy, but I mean, 2 health, I don't, or 2 attack, I don't think is really matter. This is gonna stink. Hitting these guys and the pirates is not the best. Whatever. All right, we'll let this lower health guy go first. Nope. All right. Well, I guess it doesn't do it. So. Whatever.
Buckle up, everyone.
I mean, are these just recorded? I can look into the sidebar. I presume that they're just hard coded, right? The next one. State management that I'm never going to use. It's not that regen. Oh my gosh. Oh, we tied. Nice. Oh, I actually won. Nice. Look at that. Cool. Sick. Alright. Code's still generating.
You're on a roll.
Alright.
Good for you.
Oh, Lord. I guess we have to level, right? We're gonna fall behind if I don't. Oh, I couldn't have gotten the dead guy. This is... I have to level, unfortunately. Oh, this is good. Oh. This is not good, and... Ah! Give me something. Come on, man. I guess I can grab that. Try to cheat out some elementals, because they're all on 1 health.
There, sheep
And then this guy will just multiply and hopefully at least tie. Oh, that's awful. Alright, well, we'll go back to this and see if there are anything. Oh, Jesus criminy. Do I even want this to work? I might even just get rid of these 2, because, like, if it's not able to figure out, like, the simple, like, state management, I mean, then whatever, you know? Like, just set it to 5, and then I'll deal with it later when I jump into the code. Alright. Let's hopefully get this tested out. Alright, looks fine. Okay, go watch the battle while I figure out what we do next. Insights, products, roadmap. So that's just a direct rip from this.
You know what time it is.
Interesting.
Come back time.
Broke. Oh, because it's. Oh. You know what's weird with these like little task checklists are, and we are donezo. I think the winning line was not swapping to elementals and instead go Murlocs, just because I had the poison scam. Feels bad. All right, shake it off. Get to the next one. So what we can do next is, it's so weird. Import a backlog. Oh, I see, because you can import it from other. Not really something I care about doing. Creating a backlog. What is creating a backlog? Oh, I see. Well, where's the thing to set up a workspace? Is it from the getting started? Like, yeah, that just shows you clicking it. Is there creating a workspace somewhere? Workspace. Control F, workspace. Nope, that did not do what I wanted it to do. Oh, sure. Denetharius. Absolutely, I'll take Quest. Quest was one of the funnest forms of the Hearthstone Battlegrounds thingy. Whatever they call it. The little features. And, yeah.
My favorite customer. No roughhousing now.
Let's
You hear?
see. Play 10 beasts or mechs. I see a beast and a mech already. Ooh. Amalgam. Amalgam. Is that good? Good in the mid-range. Late game, not that much. I guess I'll go for it, because it might be easier than the other one. Alright.
Back into the mix,
So
y'all.
how would one create a workspace from here? Like, there's no way to create a workspace. Whoops. Alright.
No
The
stop.
level. So back to here. So what I'm basically thinking about is like, what is, because I don't really see a flow here. Somehow a workspace was just created, and I think it was because someone was able to import straight from a Jira. But like, let's just say like you're right off of the bat, you don't have one. Well, you need a place to do it. So what I'm going to do is probably tell it when there are no team spaces, make this add a team
Adjust your tactics
space
and be victorious.
and highlight it. I think that makes sense. And I'm going to basically say like, hey, hide all this stuff except for getting started and add a team space.
Your fluid intake is ready.
And then like a workspace is one of the things that are subordinate to a team space. I think like these are workspaces here, so I don't know. We'll figure that out. Alright, back to this. More beasts. Play, not summon, so let's see. Let's actually
Get a move
crack
on,
this open.
minion.
That's not great. Oh, maybe I should have grabbed the patient scout. Alright, well, I'll be punished for not grabbing that. Okay, no, punished. Cool. Alright, we'll play this last. I think that's the right order. Whatever. We'll figure it out. As for this, VO, what are we looking at in VO?
Others can't keep up. You must be good.
Cool. Alright. I'll just write it out. Hide insights, products,
Congratulations on the
roadmaps,
optimal outcome.
portal, and reports until the user has created a team space. Alright, back to this Marstone. Yeah, we can grab this, and this. Just grab every piece that I see. This actually makes these, no, I mean, hit this first. Yeah, I think that's better. Alright, cool. So in VO, let's see. Hopefully everything looks clean at the start. Great. Let us remove the highlight, because now it looks like that's selected. So remove the highlight. Getting started should be the only thing. Actually, we'll see what this highlight looks like, but I might tell it to enclose it within a button, or like an outline of a button, whatever Shanxian's called. There. Looks like we're gonna win this handedly. That guy's unfortunately gonna do pretty well, but just rolling. Okay, so he got some high rolls there, but I still hit him for a decent amount. Cool. So let me do some buying, and then I will just grab the mech. Grab the mech. Play. Back here. Let's take a look at this in between rounds. Alright, looks fine. So add a team space. So like it's weird because it says set up a workspace, but then they call it team space. It seems very inconsistent to me. I mean, later on, I'll add in like fancier stuff. Like, hey, if you hover over this, it'll highlight this, and maybe like unhighlight this and all that type of stuff. But that's like more advanced interactions. I want to get all the stuff set. So like, if I hit click well, that navigates me to the team space. I don't think that's what that's supposed to do. Why don't I do like when this is clicked? It should open a modal.
You're on fire. But don't worry, it's a minute.
Which allows a user to set up their team space. First say, rename this to workspace. Rename this associated to team space to workspace. Alright, that should be a simple command. Hopefully it can execute on that. I'm in pretty good shape, so let's keep this rolling. Oh, nice. So I guess we might be leaning more towards beasts. Do I want to do this? Not really. Ooh, that's pretty good. Alright, we will do this.
Little ones with big appetites.
Should I put this in front? No, I'll put this. Yeah, I think that works better. I think. Maybe even put these up here, because these will turbocharge this. I'd have to see it to figure out if that looks the best. While the battle's going on, I will check on the website. Okay, cool. So if I click on this, oh my god, that looks disgusting of a modal. Like, what is this? VO? Can we get something better?
Victory is within your grasp.
I think what I'm gonna change it is instead of modal, change it to a popover. Cool, I'll do that. Okay, back to the battle. Popover. Up here's below the flag, which opens it. Alright, cool. Kind of low rolled the damage. Don't know how I feel about that. Oh, I can definitely level off of this. I will sell this. How many do I have left? My goodness. I don't want this. Not really. I'm not, like, with beasts, you don't really want to buff anything because you want the stuff on board to die. So, alright. This taunt. honestly might be to remove this. Remove this taunt if I have another taunter, which is the Rylak, I believe. Yep, Rylak Metalhead. And if I get Rylak Metalhead, then I'd rather this be untaunted, and the only taunt is for this, so this gets hit first. Alright, while we're waiting, let's take a look at this real quick, see if that... that looks not great. Oh, GC peasy. Alright, let's do a retry and see if it attempts it better, because that was not great. Interesting. So, I wonder if it used the Shadcyan sidebar, and if so, does that mean that they make it so that the sidebar is always on top? Interesting. Not sure about that.
You're on fire.
Okay.
But don't worry, it's okay.
Permanently broken. Maybe if I write and above
No stopping you, hotshot.
Alright. So there is Rylak. I could also triple. Tripling on getting a 5 is good. Very good. Oh, yeah. That's great. Rylak. Do I want... How do I want to do this? So, like I said, untaunt this. Ooh. I'm so far ahead. Do I want the gold? No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't risk it. I'll hold this just in case of the triple. Do this. Rylak gets hit first. Doubles, triples, all that good stuff. Cool. Alright, while we wait, back over to this screen. No, so the popover needs to be above. Okay. Ensure the popover appears above the sidebar. I do like that the style actually looks the same now, which is good. So, we'll submit that, get that going. Cool. Oh boy, I have a long day tomorrow too. Have a Angels Investor Summit
Victory
tomorrow at
is within
SVB.
your grasp.
And just the normal work. So. Yeah, that was a bad hit. Am I supposed to win that one? Oh, that's a bad hit. Oh, I actually needed to only play one, and I would have gotten that amalgam and owned that. Lost the streak. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I didn't let you see it. Alright, we'll grab this. I'm going... Okay. We'll do this. Play this. Cool. So we can get amalgadons. Or amalgams. Ooh. I will take that. Ooh. I'll take that. Yeah, I think we'll chuck everything. We'll see why not. Oh! You know what?
Good
We'll
try.
ditch that.
Here's your currency.
How do I want to play this? Because Rylak will get hit, and then Brand's basically... don't need Bran anymore. But then I don't want to put him first, because in case Bran dies before Rylak. I think this is probably the way to do it. Because then this will give, like, once Bran dies, then that'll give this extra space to summon. And then this guy, unfortunately, he's going to take a value hit. Alright, I think that's probably the best way to do it. So look for a triple, whoops, triple here, triple with this one. No triple on Rylak, because it's better to just have one. Because then I can have two of them, and then I can use the Sprightly Scarab to reborn it.
According to my calculations, you are first.
Alright, I think I should win this handily. I lose? No way. Seriously? That's insane. Oh my gosh. Awful. How do I lose this? Oh, it's because that thing resummoned. Totally forgot that. And that was unfortunate. I think we have victory. Let's go. Nice. Alright. Just to show that worked. So cool. Telling it to ensure that the popover appears. Looks good. I mean, it's supposed to be above, so it'll appear here, but you know, at the side, it's perfectly fine. So I'm not too picky on that. All right, let's do some quick buying before we get back to work. Level probably. Anything? No.
Use this moment to recruit some minions.
Do I want that? Not really. And by the way, I think that this thing doesn't take into account my hero power here. I think that's why. Felt like, yeah, if it was just on board, I'd definitely have a higher chance of losing, but whatever. Alright. While that's running, let's see if I do, like, test number 1. What does this do? It doesn't do anything. Well, a lot of this now comes into effect more into the back end anyways, so alright, we've gotten pretty far along the way with this, so I can grab this and open up my terminal and go into Poke Apps and paste this in to my terminal.
Victory is within
Be able
your
to pull it in.
grasp.
Cool. Oh my gosh, what happened here? This is disgusting. Wait, so if it's saying that I am winning, or gonna win this, then it has to take into account the amalgam. That's bad. Yeah, go right. Good. Jeez. Oh, did I lose out on the amalgam? Okay, good. It saves it for you. Totally forgot how that worked. Yes, here will be poke builds. Honestly, I might start, like, if it's a verb, it should be poke builds. I think that might be. But poke builds sounds like a different product. Well, we'll think about branding when we actually launch and have customers. Do I want this? No. Let me see if I can get a triple. That is not a triple. None of these are good. Rune Progenitor. I think I'm keeping Bran for now with these. Especially when I triple, it'd be great to have a Bran with it. Alright. So, while that is running for another minute, so I think we're through our logical conclusion with product board. I can look through the screen and see if there's anything that's like too crazy that I would want rebuilt. Like another thing that I could also do, right, is just create its like standalone VO set, like chat, and instead of doing it like all together, just copy this and do one single screen. So I could just pick and choose the important stuff, like kill the sidebar, not worry about some other stuff. So yeah, that's another way of using VO that's pretty effective. So cool. I think that we're pretty much done then for this one. What was loops? I'm looking here. CRM. Did I not start loops somewhere? I feel like I've done that somewhere. But another thing that would be really fun is to do a more popular site like Netflix. So that could be something interesting.
But don't worry.
Yeah. Let's call this one packaged and done for now. Obviously, we're creating the NextJS project. Oh, mine? Just let you run. I obviously didn't get any stronger in this, so in this last round, so this is a bit tough. Alright, we need to kill this guy. Hit him. This guy. No, this guy. This guy! No! Stop hitting! Hit this guy! You need to keep hitting this guy. And these gals as well. Ugh. I'll get better at screen switching one of these days. Alright. Well. This. How much damage do I? Oh my gosh, I'm hitting it by full. Lord. Just don't pop this at 6. Yep. Not 6, 6, but I meant the 6 tier thing. I mean, look, I guess. Oh. Alright, I got a full 15. That's a full 15.
Welcome back, cowboy.
Didn't get that. So we got a bunch of doubles. I need a triple. Alright. I think I know what I need to do here. We're just going to rearrange a couple things here. No big deal. We're going to be overconfident because this is hopefully a strong play. Not a single triple ever. Is someone else going beasts? No. So I don't know who I'm competing with for all of my beasts. Ah. Alright.
Others can't keep up. You must be good.
My dead. What? Oh. 45. Okay. We'll take those odds. Yeah, I do think this looks good. Like some of its elementals, oddly enough, kind of small. Yeah, I should be able to scrape this by. Oh. Well. I'll take the win. These undead are gonna be literally the death of me, though.
No stopping you, hotshot.
Triple. Triple. Oh, weird freeze. Sprightly Scarab, okay. Triple. I'm gonna speak this into existence. Oh my god. Alright. We're gonna do the switcheroo. Switcheroo.
Use this moment to recruit some
great.
minions. Use
Okay.
this moment to recruit
Look.
some minions.
We did the best we could, I think. Alright, 60 seconds. So, we're gonna switch back to here. What we're gonna... I think we'll just be honest with VO. I'm looking to make a Netflix clone. Will work through screen by screen. Adapt the landing page from the attached
Small
screenshot.
talk routine activated. How's things, partner?
Not great, honestly. I'm about to get slapped for $1 million. That I did not want to download that. We're gonna copy it, paste it in here, and let it fly. All right. Trying to be honest with AI. We'll see if that helps yield anything. This looks terrible, by the way, for a board. I have no clue why. Ugh.
You're on fire. But don't worry, it's a metaphor.
Well, at least it's not lethal. Holy, what? This is a little bit too much of a clone. Oh, I think it used the screenshot as the background. Oh my god, that's so funny. Well, that's not what I want. But let me regen. Hopefully it comes out right into a presentable, something that is presentable to look at. I think I'm actually dead. Let's... Oh no, never mind. I miscounted.
Your fluid intake is
Alright,
ready.
well, at least
Enjoy.
I'll be in top 3. Let's see if I can get the... Great. Okay.
Use this moment to recruit some minions.
I think this is the right call. At this point, I'm just playing with house money anyways, so does it matter? Alright, I noticed that it added this process.env next public blob URL, which is definitely not what I want. So I think we're gonna have to regen this another time. Sorry, misclick there. That's why this has this missing environment variable. See that next public blob URL. So, I mean, it's marginal. I just don't know why it added that. So let me just do another retry and we'll see if this makes it better.
You're on fire! But don't worry, it's a metaphor.
Poke stream is a very nice name for the site, but unfortunately,
No stopping
again,
you,
we have some issues
hotshot.
with it, so I will just let it
Huckleberry
regen again.
acquired.
Oh. Why have you forsaken me? Well, at least I'll get top 2 at the very least. We'll try this one. Let's see what happens.
Come on down.
Not great. Alright.
Huckleberry acquired.
Oh god. Wow. Oh no. Well, we'll give that guy the win. Poke Flicks. No, I like Poke Stream better. Name it Poke Stream. Poke Watch, honestly, that would also be. No, Poke Stream. Name it Poke Stream. Adapt the. Let me just look at this. Adapt the UI for the landing page from the attached screenshot. I guess it's gonna use the screenshot a lot, which is funny because then it creates that overlapping look to it.
Victory is within your grasp.
Oh no, and I see some more blob storage for sale. I mean, we are turbo now. Yeah, alright, I'll let you watch him demolish me. Intermission from demolishment. This looks absolutely adorable. I think I will try to keep it and just tell it to remove the screenshot. Very screwed. Well, I mean, top 2's not that bad, and I ended up netting out of that, so that's good. Okay. Here's the landing page now. Obviously, there's no screenshot. I guess they couldn't add in a placeholder image. Or, I mean, that is a placeholder image, but I guess it couldn't create the stock image, which is, I guess, totally fine. So cool. Well, before we head on, I think it's too much to do a whole Battlegrounds, another game of Battlegrounds, because I think I'm getting kind of hungry and I want to go to dinner. So what I'm instead going to do is play just a normal game of Hearthstone and just have it be the only one. Let me just make sure that that's looks good. Yeah, work hard, play hard, everybody. So I've been really liking this Infinite Terran deck, and so we'll play with this just to end off the stream. I'm going to go sit down now because my ankles are starting to hurt after standing for a couple hours. Just take this down a notch. Alright. Hope everyone's having a great day, by the way. I feel like I should be asking that more from the audience. Unless I need to. I'm too lazy to adjust the microphone. I'll probably stream some more later tonight. Get some more content down. Get some more clips. I don't know if I should have kept that as second missile pod, actually. So the focus of this deck is getting one of two combos off, either getting infinite numbers of Jim Raynor or infinite numbers of Incendius, and using Ceaseless Expanse to clear off your board. Photographer Fizzle takes a picture of some items. So the miniaturized Shutter Block Jim Raynor or miniature Shutter Block Incendius with the Triangulate and the Ceaseless Expanse. So you want those 4 cards in hand before you trigger the Fizzle. And generally, it'd be best if you do Shutter Block Fizzle, because then you'll have more of the photographs in your deck. And in a warrior, they like running TNT, a card which destroys stuff in the deck. So you'd have copies of it just in case they manage to snipe off one of your photos, which can prevent you from going infinite. So there's that.
And smell the flowers.
All right. So we can lock on. I can do lock on Missile Pod. There are a lot of things to potentially lock on, though, so I'll save it. Save it for later. I am out of Marines. I have barely ever used actual Marines in this mini set, but I do love StarCraft, and my childhood being in the game that was a big part of my college life, Hearthstone, is really important. Alright, I guess we'll Missile Pod again. It's probably the best Missile Pod that we'll go like that. Do I actually want to coin liftoff? Because, like, Totem... You know, a big thing about this deck is you don't want to actually take up too much space with stuff that has no attack. So I think it's better to just use liftoff as our start. There's Jimmy Raynor. Who do I actually want to grab from Bob the Bartender? You know, Bob the Bartender has 4 actions. I wish they popped up on screen with the interface. But he can just grab something and give your opponent 3 coins. It's actually, you know, it says here action from Battlegrounds, so it's inspired by that stuff. I want to save Hex or something. I can't use it on Ziliax. So I can use it to deny him the Arcanite Defense Crystal. Extra armor. Raven's also scary. What does he have in here? Medevac? Yeah. I mean, also, not really much else to use for this turn, so... what was this? Want this? I meant, do I want to let this thing die so I can start my battle cruiser? But, it's whatever. Okay, he's gonna brawl this, which is fine. I did end up toteming, so I hope the totem dies. Okay, good. The King's actually the one that stays alive. It's actually pretty funny. There's Shutter Block. I could Shutter Block in Incendius. Because all I need to do is keep the mini one in hand. So we can do that. Those in the battle cruiser, just missile pods, and eventually the Vikings, so nothing too impactful.
Ready to plunder.
Like the Banshee or whatever. Oh! Interesting. I totally forgot what was in this thing. Medevac and interesting. Okay. Oh, do I actually want to draw all of my... a lot of the spells? Pop-up book, triangulate, trusty companion. I could also take him. Take this. I think that's what I'm going to do. Oh, I could actually take a lot of things. I could take this. Do I even want to take it? So this is the 4 actions that Bob has. So I definitely want to grab this guy. Do I think a 3-drop will be worth it? By the way, adding these coins are hilarious too, because it'll make him burn something. I hope he burns the TNT thing. I have 1 mana. So I'll grab this Viking because I'll use that 1 extra mana that I have to do that. And then I think I'll freeze the rest.
Weapons prize. Ready to plunder.
Alright. Oh, yes! Hydration station. You burned it. Hydration station's crazy because it replicates the Ziliax and a bunch of other stuff. So. Nice. I knew it. Zombie mouse over it. Alright, what's in this thing? Missile pod and 2 Vikings.
Liberation.
Well, Exodar actually has that setting where you can shoot it, right? Yeah. Right? Because like I can deal damage with this. Deal damage equal to its attack, right? So I got 6 damage. Yeah, there we go.
Battle cruiser operation. Battle cruiser operation.
I'm not rooting for you.
Your streamer's a winner, folks. Alright. I think that's a good wrap-up point. Hope everyone had fun watching me be a mediocre gamer and start to use AI to generate cool and interesting things. I'm gonna go eat dinner, but hopefully later on tonight I'll settle back down and start streaming again. I do want to get some more of these sites out there because with some of the other projects that I'm working in my life, I kind of want to have a lot of good starting points for different types of websites and apps. So this is all contributing to it. So thank you so much, everyone, for watching the stream all the way up until the end. Thank you if you're watching on the VOD later on. Please like, subscribe, show me the love, comment all the different types of websites you want me to adapt. Feel free to link the mob in the comments down below. If you want to hang out with me and you know me in person, just text me, and I'm happy to do like a little a little chat on stream or whatever. If you want to do like an impromptu interview or just kind of hang out on stream, love to have you. So thank everyone for watching. Just remember, if G can build, so can you. Go out there and build some really cool stuff. Hopefully I've inspired